Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello all, welcome to Ganesh IAS Academy. This is the special session related to the previous year question discussion. Okay, so in this session we will discuss how to approach a prelims, how to solve a prelims questions. Okay, is there any strategies or else there is any there is a key within the question. Okay, so it is a way to approach how the questions you have to done in the prelims. Okay, so it's all about that. Okay, so normally the prelims question will be like the 50% of knowledge and 50% of your attitude and your psychological thing. Okay, so how to you apply your knowledge and it is should be in the more of it depends on your attitude to approach the question. So what are the attitude you have to carry towards the exam. Okay, so that things we will discuss, and if there is any strategy that will also be discussed in this session. Okay, so let's begin the session. Okay, this is a 2021 prelims question. Okay, so see, first of all, these kinds of pattern questions are most easy one. Okay, because the reason for the most easy thing is due to these options. Okay, if you are going to eliminate any one of the statements, you can easily get for the answer. Okay, so what is my opinion is try to find what is the wrong statement. Okay, don't look for a correct statement because that is the most toughest one. Always try to find the wrong statement if the pattern is like this. Okay, if there is a number of statements on that question means please try to find which statement is wrong. Okay, by the way you can eliminate the options, from that you can get for an answer. Okay, that is the one of the easiest way, and also it is most reduce your time consuming process. Okay, so you have a lot of time to solve other questions. Okay, so try to solve in such a manner. Okay, that is the most easy one. Okay, let's begin the session. In India, which one of the following can be considered as a public investment agriculture? Okay, so first of all you have to know what is public investment in agriculture. Okay, see this is not a big thing. Okay, see, if the government is going for any certain investment activities means that is called as public investment. Okay, so it is not a big thing. Okay, you can easily come to the meaning of this statement. Okay, so you can easily come to the what is the meaning of this public investment. Okay, so I will give some other examples related to the what is public investment. The government is putting roads, okay, bridges, dams. These are also called as public investment. Okay, so the question is more specific as which of the following can be considered as public investments in agriculture. Okay, so that is the question they are asking. Okay, so with that knowledge you can easily find the answer. Okay, first of all, if there is an investment means that should create certain capital thing. Okay, so that is called as public investments. So investments is mostly create a capital investments. Okay, so that it will produce as a capital output. Okay, so for this these are the capital output. Okay, so these roads and the bridges and dams are the capital output. Okay, so with this basic knowledge you can find the answer. Okay, go for first statement, fixing the minimum support price for agriculture produce of all crops. Okay, first of all you have to know that what is MSP. Okay, MSP is nothing but it is the price declared by the government before the farmer is going for a sowing in his field. Okay, so it is to create a thought process that the government will anyway the government will procure my seeds. Okay, procure my produce. Okay, so such a way they are just induce the farmer to go for cultivation, because usually the farmer have a fear of whether the produce will get get the correct price for their produce. Okay, that is the fear. Okay, and also there are many climatic vulnerabilities also there. Okay, so usually the farmer have certain fear to cultivate in their field because they may get into the loss. Okay, so that is the fear. So to overcome that fear, usually government will announce the MSP, minimum support price. Okay, so they will declare certain price. Okay, before they are going to show. Okay, so if they are before the kharif season, the government will declare the price for the kharif season. Okay, so such a way the government will do. So here the statement is fixing the MSP. Okay, the statement is not even says that procuring the seeds in the MSP price. Okay, so the government is just declaring the prices for rice, wheat, okay, dal, okay, mustard seeds. So the government is such a way just fixing the price. They are not even spending certain money from their pocket. Okay, yeah, they are just announcing the prices for their seeds. Okay, so such a way they are doing it. So it is just announcement. Okay, it is not a public investment they are doing. They are not even going to spend a single penny for this. Okay, the statement is more specific. This says that fixing the MSP. Okay, the statement is not saying that procuring the seeds in the MSP. Okay, so they are just announcing the prices. Okay, so here they are not making any public investments. Okay, so eliminate the statement 1. You can easily get to the answer. 2, 3, 6. Okay, A also have one, B also have one, D also have one. So such a way you have to find the answer. Okay, always try to eliminate the statements. Okay, so that is the most easiest way to crack the prelims. Okay, solve the questions. Okay, let's discuss all other statements. You will get some clarity. Okay, next, computerization of the primary agriculture credit society. So computerization means you are infusing certain technology into the agriculture sector. Okay, the statement itself says that computerization. So you are going to buy certain products. Okay, it may be the computers, softwares, okay, any technologies, okay, any ITs, okay, they are investing into it. So that is the public investment. Okay, so that is producing certain capital as computers will be in that extension service. In the research field there should be certain computers also there. Okay, that computer may forecast the weather. Okay, the computer may forecast the pest issue. Okay, so such a way they are investing certain how to say, they are producing certain capital thing. Okay, so they are making the investment as a computer. Okay, so that is the public investment in agriculture. So the statement 2 is correct. Okay, next, obviously social capital development. Okay, social capital development is none other than you are going to provide certain things to the farmer. Okay, you are investing on the farmers for their social development. Okay, so again 3 is also correct. Okay, then go for 4. Free electricity supply to farmers. Okay, see, already there is a electricity supply. The government is providing certain free electricity. They are not going to infuse the extra money into that field. Okay, so that is not comes under the public investments in agriculture. Okay, next, waiver of the agriculture loans by the banking system. It's totally wrong. Okay, it is not comes under the public investment. Okay, see, we can also deduce this in some other way, like capital revenue. Okay, capital expenditure. In such a way also we can say it. Okay, so the waiver of the agriculture loan is not comes under the capital. Okay, it comes under the revenue thing. Okay, so it's actually the revenue expenditure. It is not a capital expenditure. So such a way also you can eliminate it. Okay, so the 5th statement is also wrong. Okay, next, 6th, setting up of the cold storage facility by the government. So okay, setting up of cold storage facilities. Okay, so you are creating certain infrastructure. Okay, such a way the 6th statement is also right. So the answer is 2, 3, 6 only. Okay, so see, in first time if you are going to approach this question means, even I did the same mistake. Okay, I thought that all the 6 statements are correct. Okay, so such a way I thought it. Okay, but if you are being calm and read every statement clean and clearly, you can easily find which of the following statements are wrong. Okay, the first statement itself wrong. Fixing MSB. Okay, they are not providing any money, they are just declaring the prices for your produce. Okay, they are just announcing. Okay, they are not even spending single money. Okay, so that is not comes under the public investment. If after they are declaring the price, if they are going for a procurement, then it is called as public investment. But the statement is more specific. It is saying that fixing MSB. Okay, so in such a way the first statement is wrong, so the answer is 236. Okay, so always try to find which is the wrong statement. Okay, such a way you try to find the answer. Okay, so that is the best way to solve such kind of question. Okay, thank you.